decorating this kitchen, and there's been a new cooker fitted with the new hood, and I've been cleaning the plaster from off the coving. See, that side I've not done yet, and where they'd cut here, it was quite rough, this edge, so I've kneaded it off with my blade carefully without scratching the stainless steel. Look at that side, got a great big gap. Now I could get some coving and cut that out and put a new piece in. That's going to a lot of trouble. Warm soapy water and a clean cloth. Just wipe away plaster. I'm just neaten this off a little bit. A light sand. I need this edge to be smooth. That's the edge in the face there, smooth. But now I've trimmed this side, I just want to tuck this piece of lining paper in there to protect all this stainless steel. That paper tucked in place now, just get some warm sandpaper and just smooth that edge off. That's not too bad. Squared it up a little bit better. It looks like when this was cut, the face of this coving was damaged. Took the surface off. So I'm going to put a patch in from about here. So all I've took is a piece of lining paper off the roll. See, it's got a natural curve in it. And I'll just offer this up, and it's big enough, it's going to cover where I want it to. It'll sit somewhere just about there. So, next step is just give it a quick soak in some water. Just let it be pliable, and that'll just stretch a little bit now. All I've got in there is neat PVA. I've got a damp cloth. First of all, carefully coat up all of this face of the coving. Just going over that edge there to the ceiling. Make sure you put plenty on. Plenty on that edge. With your cloth, just take anything off that under edge and off the wall. Before this dries, offer your paper up and we'll get this on. Keeping in mind what the other side, the distance is looking like, we'll just match it in there. Okay, so that's the paper in now. Just put a few relief tears at the bottom, just so this dries neatly. And then this edge, instead of it being completely straight, I mean, you can leave it, but all I did was just tear it off with it being wet. And then it just leaves a slightly feathered edge, which when I paint, it'll be easier just to fill. Just wipe off any excess PVA. Because I couldn't get a neat enough edge on this, I decided to put a small patch on this one as well. Just to match that completely straight edge. So I'll just leave these to dry now and trim them. That's a neat repair, that is. Much easier than trying to splice a piece in or put the whole length in. Or even trying to fill, because these cowlings, these need to be able to come off for maintenance. So that's just leaving a fine gap there. And then another one on that side, equal. Looks the job, that does.